Hi guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the camera driver that is missing in the device manager in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. And so for that we will begin with the app and browser control. So please go to your privacy settings there. So let me just go to this Windows search tab. Here we need to type app. This one, we have here the app and browser control under settings, so please make a click on that, and then we will go to the privacy settings. So please go to this right section here, and then you will get this privacy settings. So please go click on that, and then once you do that, you will get this privacy and security window here in the settings. So please scroll down and then look for your camera, and we have here the app permissions and the camera option is found. So once you click on that, please make sure that you have turned on this button here for the camera so that anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this is on. So you need also to allow the apps to access your camera, and you can do that simply by turning this button on also. But if you see that this is grayed out, that means it is off. So just make a tap on that or click on that, and then it will be turned on. And you can specifically choose the applications that you want to have an access for your camera. So you can just click on these buttons here if you want to turn the access on or off. Once you're done with this one, we will now close this window, and then we will proceed with the control panel. So please go again to your Windows search tab there, type control, and then you will get under best match the control panel option. So once you click on that, you will get this control panel window here. All you need to do is just to go to the troubleshoot. So we can also have a search here in the search tab, just at the right or very top right corner there. You will see a search tab. So please type trouble, and you will get troubleshooting option here. So please make a click on the troubleshooting option. This will troubleshoot and fix some of our problem. So once you click on that, you will get this other troubleshooting option. So just please click on that, and then please go look for the camera option or hardware and sound. Camera option here below most frequent or other section. So we have here the camera option in the other section. So once you found it, just please click on the run button here, and it will start diagnosing the problem, and it will also troubleshoot for you automatically what the problem is, and it will fix the problem. Once you're done with this one, just restart the Windows operating system. So just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed, and see if the camera driver is now showing in the device manager. So we will be going now to the device manager. So please make a right click here in the Windows icon, and then go to device manager options. Now once you do that, you will get this window just like this one. So let me just maximize this. So the next thing we need to do is to go to the view tab. Here at the very top, you will get this view tab option. So please go make a click on that, and then click on this show hidden devices. And then once you do that, please see if the camera is now showing, and if it and then we will proceed with the action tab. If it's still not showing, we'll proceed with the action tab. And then once you click on this one, please go to this add legacy hardware, and then once you do that, you will get this add hardware window coming up. All you need to do is just to click on this next button here, and then select the second option, install the hardware that I manually select from a list, and then click on next. And then once you have done that, we will be selecting now the camera option or the camera driver, and then click on next. And then just select the model that you want. So since I have already my camera being installed, then I don't have any options coming up in here. So if you have the manufacturer name and the model name, then please do select the manufacturer that you want and the model that you want, and then click on next, and then it will be installed. After the installing process, just make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed, see if the camera is now showing. Once you're done with this one, just close this, and if it's still not showing, then we will proceed with the online. So please open your browser, and then I will just show you on how you can do it here in the browser, any browser that you have there in your device. So please type in the search tab driver booster, and then once you have typed it, just please click on enter. And since I am not connected with the internet, I'm just going to reiterate or show to you, say to you on how you can do it. So once you have typed it, once you have typed the driver booster, just please click on enter. After doing the enter, just go over the search result and then go and look for the search result that came from www.iobit.com, and there you will find the free download button. So please click on the free download and install the program or the booster, and then once installed, just scan the system using the newly installed app or software, and after doing that, it will try and help you fix the problem. And if it's still not fixed, then we will also have the last option or the last process, which is to go to the command prompt. Let me just close this window. So here in the Windows search tab again, type CMD, and then you will get under best match here the command prompt option. So go to the right section, click on the run as administrator option, and then you will get this user account control coming up. Just please click on yes. And then here all you need to do is just to type the command dism /online. I'll just provide this in the description box below so that you can just easily access this one, copy and then paste it in here. So it's dism /online /online /cleanup -image /checkhealth. And then once done typing, just please click on enter. And then once you're done doing that, we will have again the next, or we'll type again the next command, which is dism /online /cleanup -image /scan health. Then once doing that, just please click on enter again. And then this time, the last one, which is dism. Since I can type it, just close this window and then we will run again the command prompt window. So please go again to the Windows search tab and then click on run as administrator again. Click on yes to proceed. And then here we'll need to type dism /online /clean up not space, it's hyphen image /restore health. Once done typing, just please click on enter and then close this window. Make a quick restart with your device, see if the problem is already fixed. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.